Hey, welcome back to Grow Your Channel. And today is Sunday. We're going to talk about 2 ways that you can grow your channel as well as make money on YouTube. You don't have to be monetized in order to make money on YouTube. And these are 2 subjects that you guys can go back through my videos and watch those, or you can research them yourselves. So one of the ways to do this is a sponsorship. So you're basically going to run a commercial with a product that a company sends to you, and you guys will go through all the terms, agreements, and to do the commercial, which is basically what it is. And you guys can set it up so that you guys are making money. So a great example would be charging 25 minutes for, or charging $25 for I don't know, a 20-second roll or 25-second roll. So you could do like 10, that can be at the beginning so people first get it, or you can do it in the middle or at the end, however you guys agree to it. You guys should take a chance to and research that further and see how you guys like that. The second way we're going to talk real quick about making money is also selling products to your viewers. So, a lot of craftsmen out there. A lot of people's got digital content that they can sell. So if there's something that you can actually, that you do, and make a little money off of it, more power to you. In Nathan's ferro rods, our prime example for that. He runs an eBay store. There's a couple guys that run Etsy stores. There's some Amazon affiliates as well. So however you guys want to do that, like Colorado Bushcraft or Paul at Black and White Fire Starters, the products are out there. They definitely get passed around, and plenty of videos. But if you guys have ideas of content for content like that, and you guys don't mind setting up your own business and going that route, then I suggest you do it. So those are my 2 tips on how to make money without being monetized on YouTube. And like I said before, make sure you go, you can go back through mine, or you can research it yourself and get a better explanation, more in depth. So have a good day, and like, share, and subscribe as always, and thank you for watching to the end. Bye, y'all. GoPro, stop recording.